Hey there, folks. We're going to be putting on my Crosspro crash bars that just showed up this afternoon. I'm going to bring you along and show you how that looks. Let's have a quick look at these guys quick. Crosspro is a company from Portugal. Really impressed with the craftsmanship of these. They're aluminum. This is their silver finish. So they have like a clear coat, powder coat finish on them. Instruction manual's really thorough. Pictures shows you step by step. Always like when they give you the tool list here too, because the weather's not the best out here today. The other garage down there is pretty full, so I'm sort of just gonna do what I can do. But yeah, I ran down there, grabbed all the tools I need and whatnot, and here's their mounts. They're stainless, and I used to be a welder, so I always appreciate, you know, some nice craftsmanship when I see it. Definitely happy with these. Hopefully they go on as easy and as good as they look, so let's get after it.
In the hills of Carolina, well, that's where our hearts decided for the rest of our days wouldn't be alone. Watch the light shining in your eyes as we dance there side by side. Felt you move a little closer to the rest of my life. And the road that started in mud was paved by the rocks and love. Laid the way from your heart straight to mine in the hills of Carolina. Walked my grandpa to the bus stop, said we'll be back when we get off. And we danced around that night, and we couldn't ask for more. Felt the world turning around us, and we laughed, no one had found us. We were tickled just to be there alone in our own little world. And the road started in mud, was paved by the rocks and the love. Laid the way from your heart straight to mine in the hills of Carolina.
There you have it, folks. The Crosspro crash bars on the 2024 Africa Twin Adventure Sports. This was one of the only crash bars on the market that I could find that fits the new model Adventure Sports. And fits, it does. Looks awesome too. It's a great product from them. I will drop a link in the description below. Make sure you buy it from the eBay seller that I sent. They hooked you up with a great deal. fast shipping all the way from Portugal. Took maybe 4 days. Can't complain about that. But this crash bar mounts all 2 structural attachment parts on the frame of the bike. Looks great. Looks like it'll function well. Doesn't flex much. It's aluminum, so it's lightweight. 100% recommend. Thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you next time on the road.